Hello everyone! For today's video, kung paano tayo kumuha ng digital copy ng PhilHealth ID online. Okay, kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, so dito guys, you can get a digital PhilHealth ID and allows you to view and access your PhilHealth information. Ang una mong gawin ay dapat ay nakapag-register ka sa egov.ph, but kung wala ka pa po ay puntahan mo lang ang iyong Google Play Store kung ikaw po ay Android user. I-search mo lang ang egov.ph at i-install mo to sa iyong phone. Okay, so after ma-install, click Open. Then, kung may account ka na dito sa egov.ph, just click Login and mag-login ka gamit ang iyong 6 digits MPIN. Okay, kung wala ka pa namang account dito sa egov.ph, just click Sign Up. Okay, to get started, i-fill out mo lang ang iyong first name, middle name, and your name extension. Kung wala naman ito ay huwag nang lagyan. And then your last name. And your email address. And if you have no middle name, just click this box. But kung may middle name naman, i-ignore mo lang yan and then click Create Account. Kung gusto niyo naman po or ayaw niyo po makatanggap ng government updates, pwede niyo po itong i-turn on or i-turn off itong enable notification and then tap continue. And the 6-digit code sent to your email and i-check mo ang iyong email inbox at kunin mo ang iyong 6 digits code at ilagay mo dito. Okay, then ay maglagay ka ng iyong mobile number. Then, the OTP code sent to your mobile number. And kunin ang code at ilagay dito. Then, create your own 6-digit MPIN. Ito pong 6-digit MPIN ay magagamit nyo po kapag kayo po ay magla-login. Okay, and then tap Next. Then, i-enter nyo po ulit dito yung ginawa nyong MPIN kanina. And then, tap Next. Okay, nakapag-create na po tayo ng account. And nandito na po tayo sa homepage ng egov.ph. Next is click mo itong Verify Account to get full access of egov.ph government services. Then, click mo itong Verify Now. And then, mag-fill out po kayo ng inyong information na wala pa po dito. Like citizenship, at ito pong birth date. Okay, from male, ilipat ko lang po dito sa female. Then, itap na po natin tong next. And dito po is please input your current address. Yung inyo pong state or province, just tap this arrow down to select. And then, your city or municipality, barangay, house number, building, or street name. And then, dito po ay optional. So, pwede po natin lagyan to, pwedeng hindi. Okay, itap na natin tong next. Then, lalabas po dito yung ating personal details and address na ni-input natin kanina. Pwede po natin ito i-edit if may mali. And now, if you are sure that the details are correct, just tap Next. Then, take a live selfie. Avoid wearing cap, glasses, and huwag po kayo gagamit ng filters. Face must be within the circle and use enough light. Okay, if you are ready, tap to launch camera. Blink your eyes. And if happy na po kayo sa picture, tap Yes, I'm happy. Okay, successfully upgraded na po yung aking account. And then, pwede po kayo dito mag-add ng digital signature. Okay, sign using our fingertips dito po sa back. And if you're not satisfied, just tap clear, and kung okay na po sa inyo yung inyong signature, tap continue. Then, isave po natin ang ating signature, and dito po ay i-enter po natin ang ating 6-digit passcode or PIN. And then, i-click mo na tong NGAs, stand for National Government Agencies. Okay, then scroll down mo lang at hanapin mo yung PhilHealth. At kapag nahanap mo na, ay i-click mo na tong PhilHealth. Then, click PhilHealth Member Portal. At dito naman, if ikaw ay sumasang-ayon na ang eGov.ph app need to be shared with PhilHealth Member Portal, the email, birth date, sex, nationality, POL2, mobile, signature, full name, and address. Okay, then i-click mo na tong I agree. Then, click continue to my account. At lalabas dito sa profile ang iyong PhilHealth information, ang iyong PIN, contact number, and the personal informations. And then, kapag ni-click mo tong contributions, ay lalabas dito yung payment, all dates, at pwede mo makita ang iyong claims at ang iyong yakap or yaman ng kalusugan program, yung iyong status and the dependent information. Okay, so after na ma-view natin lahat ng to, ibalik na tayo sa homepage. And dito naman guys, just click this digital ID to view your digital ID. Okay, so makikita na natin dito yung aking PhilHealth digital ID at yung national ID. So itong naka-display sa ngayon is PhilHealth ID. Okay, so if you want to see the enlarged copy of your ID, just click Enlarge ID. Okay, so ito po guys ay makikita natin na mas malinaw ang ating ID and wala po pala siyang back of ID. Okay, if you want to get a copy sa iyong phone, ay screenshot mo lang to and i-crop mo lang. Then, pwede mo naman to ipa-print and i-plastic lamination. Okay, so ganun lang po guys kumuha ng digital copy of PhilHealth ID. Okay, so I hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo. At kung natulungan kayo nitong video, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.